Hey guys, Craig here. In today's video we're going to take a look at how you can start making money as an affiliate marketer using JVZoo. We're going to go through how to set up your account, how to find some really great free training with inside JVZoo, how to find the right products to promote, and more importantly, how to market these products so you can get your first sale. I'm going to nip over to the computer, so I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is go over to jvzoo.com. okay, once you're on the home page, you're going to want to hit the big free sign up button there. It's going to ask you for a few details, your display name, your email address and a new password. Okay, all you need to do then is click on, if you want to read the agreements, you've read them, and literally click register. Okay, once you're inside JVZoo, the first thing you want to do is hit on the tools bar. Okay, it's going to take you over to the free training I was talking about. It's called JVZoo Academy. It's a real quality training. I suggest you check it out. It's completely free again, so you don't need to worry about that. But that'll be the first place to start when you've first registered. Okay, these are a few recommended products by JVZoo. Aweber, GetResponse. They're both email autoresponders. I personally use GetResponse. I think they've got a free trial at the moment. 30 days, it's worth checking out. I'll put a link in the description so you can have a play around with that, see what you think. Aweber's good as I've used them before as well. I've just stuck with GetResponse, I'm just used to that one. Once you've gone from there, you're going to need to find products to promote. So do the training, then find the products to promote. So you can go over to top sellers. What top sellers is going to tell you about is all the top sellers of today. So you can see Paytrix is converting well. It's a top seller, so that might be one worth checking out. Top sellers yesterday, the past 7 days, and the past 30 days. So you can click on any of these. You know that these are converting. They're the top sellers on JVZoo, so these might be a good place to start. Alternatively, you can go over to the launch list, which is going to tell you all the products that are out there at the moment. It tells you how many sales are available. Less than 10, less than 10. The little clock there, it's a dime sale. That means the price is increasing with every sale, or every couple of sales, whatever they've set it to. Again, you can see on here how many sales they've made. So this one's 500 plus sales, so that might be a good one to have a look at because you know it's converting well, people are buying it. Personally, I don't use this page. I use a launch calendar called Munchai, which is just munchai.com. Again, I'll put a link below for you. I just prefer this, it's a lot clearer. You can see exactly what the commission is, how much it's going to be when it's launching. So you know this one's $17 and you're going to get 50% commission, so you know if it's worth promoting or not. What you want to do is just this one's just launched, so let's have a quick look at this one. Click on, tells you when it's launching, what time it's at, what the front end price is, and what commission you're going to get. Again, you need to make sure the affiliate network's JVZoo, and this is going to tell you once you click on the JV page. What the JV page is, it's going to give you all the information you need to decide whether it's a product that you want to promote or not. Okay, so this one, prepare to stuff your PayPal when you promote a new and unique app. Okay, the video is going to tell you a bit about the product, why you should promote it, any competitions that are out there, the launch date, time. It's going to give you some more details on it, and this is where you're going to get your JVZoo links. We'll come back to that in a minute. Let's just have a quick look through the JV page. Okay, so on this one, you can see there's £1,000 in JV contest and cash prizes when the cart opens. So it was yesterday at 10 AM. It tells you a bit more about the products, the unique selling points. You'll need these later on. We'll come back to that because all the information they've put here, you're going to need for you to be able to promote the product. Okay, software demo, email swipes. Now, if you do have an email list, you can use the email swipes. I recommend you don't, or if you are going to use them, edit them some way, make them your own. Okay, I have used just email swipes with my email list. I did get sales, but to be honest, my email list started falling out on me. Reason being is if they're getting the same email of 10 people, they're not feeling special anymore. You're not putting the effort in. You're just the same as everybody else. So you need to alter them. You can use the details they put or get the general idea of how they're laid out, but do edit them so that you make them your own. Okay, your list will love you for it. They're going to get to know you as a person better, okay? Because this isn't you writing. Like I say, you can do it if you know you're not really wanting to write the emails yourself. You can use them and you will get sales. It's just not recommended. It's going to tell you about the sales funnel. So we know that the front end's between 20 and 37. So if that's a good price point for your list, or your subscribers, or wherever you're getting your customers from, you know where you're up to here. This one in particular, which you don't get on every launch, okay? These are offering you a bonus page, okay? Now we recommend that you do use bonus pages or landing pages before you send people straight to the offer, okay? Now with this one, these are going to create a bonus page for you and give you the bonuses that you can give away. So this would be your own bonus page that they've made for you. All that's going to happen is on the links, it's going to be your own affiliate link that's in there. And these are the bonuses that you'll be offering. So when you're promoting the product, you can now tell people you've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're offering all these different bonuses. There's 10 different bonuses you're offering there as part of your giveaway. So if you're doing Facebook advertising or YouTube, you can now tell people about these additional bonuses that people get if they buy through your link. Okay. Let's just go back to the link, okay, so that's the first thing you need to be able to get, because if you can't get your affiliate link, you can't promote it. So what we're going to do is just go to JVZoo affiliate link. It's going to take you over to this page, okay. So the first thing you need to do, especially if you're new, don't just click request affiliate approval. If you've got no sales or very low sales, and you don't know the vendor, which in this case is OJ James, if you don't know them, and you've not got any sales, if you just click that request approval, you're going to get declined. So in this box here, you're going to want to put something along the lines of, hi, I'm Craig, I'm looking to promote my email list, if that's what you do, through my blog, through a YouTube channel. Here's a link to my Facebook page. If you have any further questions of how I'm going to promote, please message me. They know you're real, they know you're genuine, and it's worked for 95% of the promotions I've done, okay? I've been approved for 95% just by putting them details in. So if you're just going to click the request approval, you're more likely going to get declined, okay? On here you can see the sales page, so you know exactly, you can get all your details again. If you need to create your own bonus page, there's loads of different softwares out there you can use to create bonus pages. You could use a WordPress, which is free. I personally use Convertri just because it's completely drag and drop. You can just move everything. It's all free form, so you can make it any way you want. What I do suggest is create a video on the product. Okay. Now, really, to create a video, you're going to need review access. Let's just go back to see if this one. Where are we at? Let's just go back to one try. Sorry, won't be a sec. Sometimes they give review access without you having to actually ask for it, okay? Because you're going to need to. Let's have a quick look. Always look for these documents at the top, because in the documents it's going to give you all the information you need, and sometimes they put review access in there. So let's just have a quick look. So these are all the links you need for the YouTube videos. You can have a look through all the OTOs. So if you're going to do a blog post and tell people about the product that way, you can tell them about what to expect. Don't be scared of just trying to send them to the front end. Tell them, once you've bought the front end, you're going to be offered this. This is what this will do, how it'll improve. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so this one here, you actually can get review access, so you're not even have to ask for it. So a product like this would be a good start for you, because one, you're getting a bonus page built for you. Two, they're giving you review access, so you can do an actual review video, which you want to put onto your bonus page as well, so people can see you on the camera. You don't have to get on the camera, but they will at least hear you, so you can actually go into the product, show people what they're actually buying, so they get an inside look, like an open the box look. This is what if you buy, this is what you're going to get, things like that. Tell them the features and benefits, how it's going to benefit them. These are all on the sales page, so you don't really need to think too much about it. You can get all the information off there. Again, there was more information on the JV page, which gave you about 10 pointers of why it's going to benefit your subscriber, or when you put it in the advert, why it's going to benefit someone, why they need to buy it. Again, with this one, because you're getting the bonuses for free, you can offer the bonuses for people to buy through your link. So a quick look. So let's just have a look how other people are promoting this product. Let's just copy that. Just see what the competition is out there and how they're doing it. Just do a quick Google search. So we're getting at the top here, we've got people doing reviews. So they'll be using like a WordPress website just to create reviews of the product. This one's Glenn's Reviews. Yep, Glenn's Reviews. He's always seems to be the top of Google. He must be good at SEO and things like that. So he just tells people pretty much all the information that we found on Munchai on the JV page, what the guarantee is, how much the front end is, what time it launches. It tells people what the product's about, the features, which again we found on the JV page, so you've got all this information, how it works, the demo video, which we found in a document file, so we can just copy that. Pros and cons of the product. He's put a load of pros. He didn't find any cons. If you do find any cons, put them there. Don't be scared of telling people anything negative about the product. They're going to trust you more. If there's 20 pros and 1 con, they're still going to buy, but at least put it there. Give them a fair chance so they've got all the information so they can make the decision whether that product's for them. You know, if they trust you, they're going to come back and buy from you again and again and again. So don't ever be scared of putting a con there, okay? User experience, how he found it. Again, he had review access the same as everyone else, so you can go into it, have a look round, see the overall feel for yourself. He's mentioned the OTOs again, so again he's given his customers all the information they need to decide whether they want to buy it. And not only did they want to buy the front end, he's showing them everything that they're gonna be able to buy. Now they might not necessarily need the upsells, but at least they can make a decision that once they've bought the front end, they know that these other products are going to be coming afterwards. Okay, so it's not a surprise for them, and he probably converts the OTOs really well because his customers already know all about them. Let's just click through so we can see. Because once you've got your affiliate links, which this will be his link now, it's going to take you through to the sales page. Okay, once you've created your pages and things like that, you want to make sure that everything's working fine. So just go down and click on the buy button and make sure, so let's click buy.
I'm sure we can all.
You want to make sure that when you come down here that your name's there and your affiliate ID is there, okay? So you know that you're going to get paid for that sale. Okay, so just double check that out just to make sure the sale's not going to be credited to somebody else. Okay, let's just go back to Google, see how other people are promoting. Okay, so the YouTube videos. Again, if you're going to do a YouTube video, don't be like most marketers.
This is a quick overview of.
What most marketers tend to do is they get the sales video off the sales page, they do put an intro on it, and then just show the sales video. Okay, it's not enough. You need to do your own video. Okay, if you're going to use YouTube, make sure you put some effort in. Do a walkthrough of the product, tell people the features and benefits which you've got off the sales page, you've got off the JV page, and just do a short video. It doesn't have to be half an hour long, it can be 5 minutes just telling people. If you're comfortable, get on camera, because if people start seeing you, rather than just hearing your voice, they're going to start trusting you and they're more likely to come back and buy from you in the future. Especially if you create a decent looking thumbnail, like something up there where you can see his face, that they're going to be looking out for your videos in the future. Let's have a quick look. Oops. So again, these are more. So I'll quick look at this review. Okay, very similar. If you look, very similar layout to the previous one. It tells a bit about the products, pros, cons. Some, he's taken some. He's gone a bit further. He's taken some pictures of inside the product so people can see it, because there's no video on there. You can copy, not copy exactly, but the layout you can do. And now, if you added your own review video in here as well, it's going to stand out even more than these ones that are ranking at the top of Google. So you can start, anyone searching for the product, you can start really taking some sales. You know, if you can get your page ranked, it needs to be, you know, high quality page. Then you can build them free through WordPress, things like that. Now let's go over to Facebook. Again, if you can do obviously your Facebook advertising, you can post into Facebook groups. There's a load of different groups. If it's about video and things like that, find a group to post that into. As I go in, let's have a look what people are doing. No, there's no real posts on this. So again, there's, you know, no one's really posted anything about it on Facebook. So if you were posting about this product on Facebook, oh, here we go. So there's a few, yeah, review videos. These are just links to bonus pages. Yeah, there's not a great deal of competition on Facebook for this one. These have shared it into different groups, affiliate marketing for everyone. Yeah, these are just shared in different groups, which you know, they're free to do. It's not going to cost you anything. So just to recap, what you're going to need to do: obviously, register for JVZoo. Find a product to promote. When you're first starting out, have a look for products that have got review access, have got links to sales pages, JV pages. Okay. From there, to promote the product, you're going to either want to create a WordPress blog or review site. You're going to want to create a YouTube video with a review of the product itself. You're going to want to post in Facebook groups, post on your own page obviously. Instagram, Twitter, literally anywhere you can put that link, you need to be putting the link out there. It's the only way you're going to get sales when you're first starting out. Once you've started building your email list more, then obviously you're going to be able to email them and get sales that way. But to start with, you just need to get your link to your bonus page, to your review site. Just get it out everywhere you possibly can. Anyway, that's the end of that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, show me some love by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to press the notification bell. Okay? If you have any comments, put them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I possibly can. Apart from that, see you later.